Hey guys, Rich here at RCINFORMER. Got Steve on the camera. It's a super windy day. Steve, check out film over there by the windsock. You guys can see how this is going. It was supposed to be like 5 miles an hour, and it's not. So we're going to try and give you just a short demo so you guys can see the plane fly, but it's a little rough out there. Everybody's planes have been bumping around, but we're going to go with this thing anyway. Again, we got the new FMS version 3 Avanti, one of my favorite pocket rocket airplanes. Check out the unboxing. I'll also put some cards up here for either the unboxing video and the prior flight demos that we've done of the version 1. Same airplane, but upgraded. We got a new 80 amp ESC, a better fan. We got better wing plug-ins that you guys can see in the unbox video. Brand new landing gear. Check this thing out. Steve, get in on that stuff. We'll cycle that for you. Real nice gear. Simple 6-channel airplane. Nice compression struts. Steve, I don't know if you can video right in on that, but nice better compression struts. I thought the old ones were nice, but they decided to redo them. There's also a landing light or a navigation or position light underneath here. There's 2 wing lights, one here. I may add a few lights to this thing because it is really cool. But the other thing too is it's 7 screws. You got this together, 4 for the wings and 3 to get the tail on. You do have to glue on here your stall fences or your wing fences. I used foam tack for that, of course, but other than that, geez, this plane went together so fast. Fit and finish was super nice. Inside here, we've got a Roaring Top 3300. I just put that thing upside down. I got my telemetry, my receiver here, 1 antenna here, 1 going down there, and that's it. We're going to try to do just a quick flight. This isn't going to be fully comprehensive because it's so windy out here. It's hard to do the things I want to do and show you guys with it. So we'll do a quick flight control check here. Make sure we're going right, left, up, down, left, right. Flaps are coming down. We checked the landing gear already. Control throws I got in there for now. I've got 125 for the high rates for everything. Aileron and elevator. I've got 100 for mid, and I've got 70% for the low. And I think we're going to use the low. I don't think this really needs a whole lot of travel. So let's run the engine up. Oh yeah, lots of power. So I can feel the power, Steve. We're going to be going here. I'll put some flap in here for takeoff, although I don't know if we're going to need a whole lot here today. All right, Steve, you ready to go?
I'm ready.
All right, hold on to your butts. Get this thing out here. Windy day. Right, left, up, down. All right, let's see what we can do. Probably going to need to trim this out. Let's see what we can do here. Taxiing out here a bit. Here we go. Let me look down the runway. We're almost right down the runway. All right, take it off. Your flaps coming up. All right, Steve and I had it out here before, and it seemed a little bit unstable before. We put a little nose weight in it, and it seems actually really solid right now. Steve, I think we were right.
Yep.
Wind's still beating it up though. Oh, it's super rock solid now, Steve.
Yeah,
it was CG. I could feel it in the controls last time around. We'll come down downwind pass. You ready, Steve?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a rock. That's a downwind pass too, though. So, you know,
It's about 15 knot tailwind. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's hauling butt, but still, this is into the wind, power off.
Yeah, that's much better.
Yeah, much better. I mean, I can feel it in the controls. I got everything on low rate too. So, elevator and aileron, all that stuff. It's on 70% right now. So here, let's bring it in kind of slow. I don't want to get too low to the ground. It almost feels like there's a gyro. See, I couldn't do that before with it, Steve. That was the thing. I'll show you guys where I put the nose weight in this. If you use a heavier battery, it'll probably do the same thing for you. So I have the 3300 Roaring Top in there. So let me power up and go into the wind here. Come by quick here, Steve. Yeah, that's the rocket plane that I know. Even in this wind, it handles it pretty decently. Here, let's see. Let's go. Bring it down fast. Yeehaw! Wow, that hauls butt, doesn't it?
It does.
Holy smokes, look at that thing go. One of me and Steve's favorite planes. Full flaps. The FMS pocket rocket, baby. Full flaps are in there. Yeah, it doesn't have the issues it was having before. Look at that. So even in the wind, not too bad. We'll come out here when we got calmer wind, so I can really get it down and low and slow, and you can see what it does. But there's so much turbulence today, it's kind of hard to keep track of, kind of hard to tell what it's doing, sort of. Let me see if I can get you a knife here, Steve. Not the best day in the world to do it, but yeah, it's just hard to hold that. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Let's go. Let me look at something real fast. We're at 1900 on this battery, so let me do, which is about at the end of it here. Let me roll it upside down here, Steve. Yeah. Oh, it's rock solid. Rock solid. That's the Avanti that I know. Just pocket rocket. Coming by one more time, Steve, fast. Wow. Everybody's packing up and going home, Steve. We're the only ones dumb enough out here flying. All right, gears down, flaps are down. We'll land it. Bring it on in. All right, it's going to be a little squirrely here on landing because it's beating us up here. Oh yeah, all right, let me drive it on back. Yeah, I'm fighting it. I think I was getting into some rotors. Steve, film over there by the buildings. Yeah. You can see everybody parked, nobody's flying, everybody's packing up and going home. I think we're getting rotors off those buildings because it is kind of a right crosswind. Let me taxi this on back. We planned on doing a lot more flying for you guys today, but it's just so windy out here. It's hard to really demo the plane well, but you can see it does nice. Let me come on out here. Steve, hit that switch up top on that mic, go down with it. Just awesome. I only did one setting of flaps there, but a really nice model. You guys can see how it handles the wind today for sure. This is definitely a winner. Be sure to check out the unboxing video. Steve, let me show you right here. I actually went a little into the battery. I'm at, can you focus on that? Yep. 2500 I used out of a 33, but we're still showing 2.4 and 3.7 per cell, so we're good. We used up a good amount of the battery there, so. But we're good. Let's take a look in here. I'm going to show you guys what I did to my battery compartment. I'll undo this, Steve, and I'll show it to you. This is one thing I've been doing to my batteries since day one. And lately, last couple years, actually, I went back to using Velcro because all the manufacturers are using Velcro. But I'm going back to my old method of using shelf liner wherever I can to get the Velcro off the battery. And Steve, can you get in and see all that? All you do is just take some double-sided Scotch tape, run it along your piece of shelf liner, this black shelf liner. You can use any color you want, and then stick it to there, and then I carve out the hole so I can get in there. Be careful with your hobby knife that you don't cut the wires and stuff down there. But it leaves you a nice battery floor, and you don't have to worry about sometimes the Velcro. When I pull the battery out, it tears the wood up because some of the plywood in some of these some of the models from China, the plywood's not the best quality. But anyway, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Steve, I'm going to throw the thing back on here and let you guys get a look. Oh yeah, there you go. Thanks. I forgot to say Steve's pointing. Show him the weight. Show him the weight. Now we stuck a little bit of weight in here, and I have a 3300 70C roaring top. It's all the way up front, and that's what we needed for the CG to balance well. Steve, if you want to get right here, 100 millimeters, like the book said, was somewhere right around in here. And that's where it was balancing at, maybe around in this range, and it was flying a little unstable. So after we put an ounce of weight up front, it now balances on this plastic piece, and it was solid. Even in this wind, it was solid. So I don't know if they changed something in the model from the factory, but I'm finding that as long as you're balancing on this plastic, at least in this wind anyway, it seemed to fly very nicely there. So, but anyway, this is awesome, guys. Check this out. I think they've got this at fmsmodel.com, of course, or it's going to be available coming here pretty soon. And you can also find it at Horizon as well. But a really nice model. Stay tuned because Steve and I will get out here with you guys with a calmer day so we can really kind of put this thing through its paces and show you what it really does. So, but anyway, guys, check out the links below the video where to get this thing. And we appreciate you guys watching. Steve, thanks for filming. And as always, guys, we will see you next time.